Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and credential your Notifi video doorbell by Heath Zenith. Afterwards, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your device so that you can transfer it to the new HC Connect application. Let's get started. Everything that you need to mount your new video doorbell is included in the hardware pack. Follow the instructions in the quick start guide to install your unit. Once you've installed your backplate, you will simply snap on the doorbell. Now we will wait for the device to start blinking red and blue, which indicates that it's ready to be credentialed to your Notifi account. Open up your Notifi application and click on Add Notifi System. Afterwards, you will open the Wi-Fi settings page of your mobile device. Here you will need to find the network name Notifi Video and connect to it. After we see the check mark next to the network, we will go back to the Notifi application. You will see that the app has detected the doorbell. Click OK on the pop-up and continue with the credentialing process. Click Connect to your network. Make sure to connect to the 2.4 GHz band of your wireless router. Your 2.4 GHz network name or SSID might have a 2, 2.4, or 2G at the end. Once you select the appropriate network and enter your network password, click Continue. You will now name your system. Follow the in-app prompts to finish the credentialing. You will notice that the LED will turn solid blue. The first thing your device will do after credentialing is upgrade to the latest firmware. Once this upgrade is complete, you will be prompted to upgrade to another firmware that will allow you to transfer your device to the new HC Connect platform. Currently, you can delay your upgrade all the way up to May 31st of this year. In this video, we're going to go ahead and upgrade the device and transfer it to the new HC Connect application. When prompted to upgrade your device, click Update, then click Continue on the next pop-up. The process does take some time, so be patient. You will notice a spinning circle in the app indicating that the update is in progress. Once the update is completed, you will see another pop-up that reads Success. If you're near your device, you will notice that the LED ring will turn off during the duration of the update. Once the update is completed, you will hear an audible chime from the unit and the LED ring will start to flash red. After you complete the upgrade of your device, it will no longer function with the Notifi application. Please open up the App Center of your phone and download the HC Connect app. Once you complete the download, go ahead and create an account. After you complete this, we can start the credentialing process. If you follow the previous steps correctly, the LED ring on your doorbell should be slowly blinking red. If it's blinking rapidly, this means you've entered AP mode. I'll show you how to credential using AP mode later in this video. Now let's credential this unit using Easy mode. Open up the HC Connect application and click on Add Device. Select the video doorbell icon. Since our doorbell is already slowly flashing red, we will click Confirm. Now this next step is very important. You will be asked to enter the password of the network your phone is connected to. Make sure that you're connected to the 2.4 GHz band of your Wi-Fi router before proceeding with the next step. Your 2.4 GHz network name or SSID might have a 2, 2.4, or 2G at the end. Once you select the appropriate network and enter your network password, click Confirm. Now the app will try to locate your device and credential it to your account. If you are near the device, you will see it blinking blue and then turn solid blue once it credentials to your account. Once it finds your device, you will see a check mark next to the video doorbell inside the app. Click Done. The app will take you directly to the live video feed for the doorbell. Your device is now ready to use. If the previous method of credentialing is not successful, try using AP mode to credential your device. The first thing that you will need to do is switch your device into AP mode. You will notice that your device is slowly flashing red. Press and hold the doorbell button for 20 to 30 seconds. The LED ring will stop flashing for roughly 10 seconds, and then it will start rapidly flashing. Once it does that, you're ready to credential the device using AP mode. Open up the HZ Connect application and click on Add Device. Select the video doorbell icon. Click on Other Mode in the upper right hand corner. Select AP mode and then click Confirm. You will be asked to enter the password of the network your phone is connected to. Make sure that you're connected to the 2.4 GHz band of your Wi-Fi router before proceeding with this step. Your 2.4 GHz network name or SSID might have a 2, 2.4, or 2G at the end. Once you select the appropriate network and enter your network password, click Confirm. The app will prompt you to connect your phone to the device's hotspot. Select the Wi-Fi hotspot that starts with SL-HZ. Now go back to the HZ Connect application. The app will automatically start credentialing to your device. Once it finds your device, you will see a check mark next to Video Doorbell. Click Done. The app will take you directly to the live video feed for the doorbell. Your device is now ready to be used. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you would like to see more content from me, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.